Oh, I did not finish painting yesterday at all. Yeah, I did not finish painting yesterday, and we just ate, and then I laid down. I tried to go to sleep early yesterday, but that didn't work. I didn't go to sleep till like 2 in the morning. So yeah. Here, take your vitamins. We already freshened up. She wants Cheez-Its for breakfast, so that's what she got. I'm not fighting with her no more. Like, I can't. She just doesn't want to eat nothing. I don't know what else to feed her. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I have a taste for some Chick-fil-A. We're gonna go either some Chick-fil-A or some wings. Here, take your vitamins. So yeah, we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A probably after bowling. I don't know. I'ma see. Or we might eat there. I don't know, cause she picky. But I'm about to get ready first. What time is it? It's 10:57. Let's see if we can get out of here by 11:30. Let's see. 11:30, 11:40. So I'm about to get ready first, and then I'm gonna get her ready. I did her hair last night. It's not the neatest because she went to sleep, but this girl be fighting me to do her hair, so I'm gonna try to refresh it up. But if not, it is what it is. I'm gonna come back to y'all. We finna get ready, and then I will see y'all in the car. Hey y'all, so we are in the car, and we initially got out the house by 11:30. It was 11:32, but then I had to move her car seat back over here because I had moved it the other day when I went and got the TV. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. So we are on our way to the bowling. My brother called me. I gotta call him back. But we are on our way there. It says we'll get there like in 30 minutes. So let's see how that goes, because the route, people can't drive over there. So, oh look. Shit. But yeah, we on our way there, and I will talk to y'all when we make it there. And then when we get there, she gotta pee. So let's go ahead and let's go bowling. Okay, y'all, we made it. It's so pretty here. Hopefully we can take some pictures. I brought our tripod. But first, I'm gonna see if she has to pee.
This one is for the boys in the polos. Entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. Think about with the crew, he can solo. What I think I like about her when he's out loud. When I think I like her better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. He just gotta give me that look. When you give me that look, then the penny's coming out. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh. Sickening eyes, I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I mack them dudes up. Back coops up and chuck the dudes up.
Okay, y'all, we left bowling. Now we at Chili's. We was gonna eat at the bowling place, but yeah. A basket of fries at that bowling place was $10. Pizza was $20. I said no, I refuse not. So now we are at Chili's. But it's so loud in here. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, it's gonna take us 45 minutes to get home. Like what? And y'all, tell me why I left my phone inside of Chili's. But luckily, nobody stole my phone, so. But yeah, we ain't almost nowhere. We on our way home. I'm sleepy. They let me take my margarita to go, honey, so I didn't even finish it. Like, that's not like me. Usually I'll finish me a drink, honey, but I ain't even finish it. But I like it better frozen than on the rocks, because when they put it on the rocks, they be putting all that damn ice. So, but it tastes more potent, more strong. What avenue am I on? I want to take 17 because 22nd got construction. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my way home, and I'll talk to y'all when we make it home. Okay, y'all, we made it back home, but this one done woke up from a nap, and I don't know what is it, but it's like when this comes to if she fell asleep in the car and then transfer her and on the bed, she wake up and she have a whole tantrum if I put her down, and I had to pee, so now she wide awake. But now I'm tired because I'm thinking, okay, since she sleep, I'm gonna get to sleep. But child, oh, I'm not your friend. So I'm gonna lay down, and Miss Rachel can watch her for an hour.
R, big, some, R, small, some, animal, live on the barn. Live on the barn.
On the what?
Live
On the farm. Oh yes, on the
Live
farm. Elmo.
Live on the barn.
Yeah, they live on the farm. Hey y'all, I hope y'all can see me. I put the flash on. Y'all, I am doing not Instacart. Y'all, I am doing Amazon. I picked up a shift for 3 hours for $110. Oh yes, please let me get that. I was up with my daughter. She was up. We took a late nap, so she was up late, and I was up late with her. But then I had finally put her to sleep, and I saw that thing was on there. I grabbed that thing real quick. But y'all, it's dark. I'm in a bougie behind area, but it's so freaking dark. I saw a fox. There's a sign for horses. Like, y'all, I'm kind of scared. But I know I'm in a safe area, but it's the animals that I'm afraid of. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I finish this shift. It's 5 o'clock. I started at 3:30, and I'm nowhere near done half. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm done. It's crazy how dark this is. Like, oh my God. I can finally see the sun is rising, honey. And the rich people is out walking. Like, this is what people with money do. They just wake up at 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning and go for a walk. It's so pretty over here, though. I ain't gonna lie. But it's like, what type of money these people got? Look, the man jogging. Hold on. And jogging. He jogged from when I first started. This is what rich people do. Let me see how I get out of here, honey, because I'm lost already. I think this is the way out right here. So the quality is bad because I don't got the other phone. But y'all, this area is so freaking nice. I brought my daughter here, like, to a indoor playground with her cousin. And this area, like, it just feel rich over here. Like, like, I wonder what the people that what type of careers do they have? What street is this? Am I turning right here? Yeah, like, what type of careers that they have to be living over here? Because, honey, like, I have a whole bunch of packages that I didn't deliver just because it was like, oh, it's no deliveries until after 7 o'clock. Like, the security was like, we don't even take their packages, none of that. Like, none of that. And it was so damn dark. Where's 41st Street? It must be up here. But yeah, this area is real bougie, real untouchable. Like, if I had the chance to, like, I can't even talk. If I had the opportunity to make, I don't see, it must be up here. But yeah, if I had the opportunity to make a lot of money, and say, like, oh, I won't move to Texas no more, I would live somewhere out here. Like, it just seems so, far, but it still is in a city. Well, yeah, like it's still in a nice area. Like this is really, really nice. Like it's. But yeah, this area is really, 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 really nice. It's bomb. Like it's out west. It's like you gotta get on I-75 to come out here, and it's real, real nice. It's quiet. It's peaceful. Like. And then the other area I was in Southwest Ranches. Like I'm sure a lot of like celebrities, football players and all that live out there, but that shit was scary because it was dark. You could smell like the horse poop and all that. But why is it making me go this way if Chick-fil-A is, I don't know, y'all. Let me figure out where I'm going. Hold on. Cause I see now y'all, I thought I asked for my sandwich with cheese, but I ain't even gonna go back in there and fuss because they ain't charged me for it. So it is what it is. But dang, I wanted my thing with cheese. But, and then a paper straw, really? Chick-fil-A lemonade is top tier. I ain't never ate their hash browns before. I'm sure it's good, but alright, that's good. But I'm gonna leave it for my toddler. But y'all, come to think of it, when I first became a pharmacy tech, I had an interview for a Walgreens out here, but it didn't work out because I was like, honey, I'm not driving all the way over here. And the man kept making me come back and forth to do the little assessment test. I was like, y'all can't do that online. And I was like, I told the man, I said, don't worry about it. It's too far. But I gotta go back to the station to drop all these packages off that I couldn't deliver. And honey, I'm done. But what's crazy is, if I didn't have to go through all those packages, and I had to deliver them, I would have been done on time. But hey, it is what it is. This quality on this phone is trash. I should have brought the other phone with me, but nonetheless. So y'all probably gonna be seeing me doing more of these Amazon Flex videos or whatever, because this is my life and I needed a little extra money, and why not decide to record it? So that's what I did. So I will see y'all later. They're gonna pop out, so let me put my phone up.